Why TAPI gas pipeline project is a win-win for all. The TAPI gas pipeline will be a 1,814 km trans-country natural gas pipeline running across 4 countries, also known as the Peace Pipeline and Trans-Afghanistan Pipeline. The TAPI pipeline will begin in Turkmenistan and traverse Afghanistan to enter Pakistan and India. A special purpose consortium known as the TAPI Pipeline Company TPCL 14 by Turkmengas. Majority stakeholders with 85% interest. Afghanistan Gas Enterprises 5%, Interstate Gas System Pakistan 5% and GAIL India 5% to execute the $10 billion project, with Turkmengas leading the consortium. This stone laying ceremony was held to commemorate the start of constructions of the Turkmenistan-Afghanistan section of the TAPI gas pipeline in December 2015 in Mary, Turkmenistan near the Kalanish gas field. The investment agreement for the development of the TAPI project was signed by the 4 countries in Feb 2016. The ceremony marking the beginning of constructions, the Afghanistan-Pakistan section of the pipeline was held in Feb 2018. Served for 30 years. The pipeline is expected to commence operations in 2021. It is expected to transport 33 billion cubic meters (BCM) of natural gas a year. The plan for the TAPI pipeline project was originally conceived in the 1990s to generate revenue from Turkmenistan gas reserves by exporting natural gas via Afghanistan to Pakistan and India. An intergovernmental agreement (IGA) was signed in 2010 by the heads of 4 member nations. A gas pipeline framework agreement (IGPFA) was also signed by the petroleum ministries of the 4 countries in December 2010. The bilateral gas sales agreement was signed in May 2012. Turkmengas, Afghan Gas Enterprises, Interstate Gas Systems and GAIL were nominated as shareholders by their respective countries to promote and invest in pipeline project in 2013. The state-owned companies of Pakistan and India are each expected to purchase 42% of the total volume of the produced gas, equating to approximately 14 BCM. Afghanistan is expected to purchase 16% of the gas, to 5.11 BCM. Afghanistan will also receive $400 million a year as a transit fee for the pipeline. The TAPI gas pipeline will transport gas produced from Kalanish gas field in Turkmenistan to Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. It will have a diameter of 56 inch and a working pressure of approximately 10,000 kilopascal kPa. The pipeline will start from many regions of Turkmenistan and cover a total distance of 214 km up to Afghanistan. The Afghanistan section will be built along the highway. The pipeline runs to Kandahar in Afghanistan for a length of 774 km. It will cover 826 km in Pakistan across the cities of Quetta and Multan, finally terminating in Fazlika at the Indo-Pakistan border in Punjab region, India. The pipeline will initially transport 27 BCM of natural gas a year, which will be increased to 33 BCM after 1 year of operation. The TAPI pipeline is being constructed in 2 phases. A free-flow pipeline with a capacity of delivering approximately 11 BCM per year will be developed in the first phase with 2 compressor stations in Turkmenistan. The second phase will add 6 compressor stations in Afghanistan and Pakistan regions to increase the delivery capacity to approximately 33 BCM per year. Kalanish gas field will feed gas to the pipeline section in Turkmenistan. Overall, the pipeline will supply 90 million metric standard cubic meters of natural gas a day. Afghanistan will purchase 500 mmCFT, while Pakistan and India will buy 1,325 mmCFT each. The TAPI project is being funded by the ADB, which is also acting as a transaction advisor for the development. Turkmenistan took a loan of $700 million from Islamic Development Bank for financing the project in December 2016. The remaining three countries made an initial investment of $200 million in the TAPI project. Line is expected to facilitate a unique level of trade and cooperation across the region, while also supporting peace and security between the four nations. More than 1.5 billion people in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India are expected to benefit from the long-term energy security provided by the project. In addition, the project is expected to boost the revenues of Turkmenistan via the sale of gas.